So I'm Chris Hexer, my company's NYE Renewables, and we help people drastically reduce their electricity bills, increase the value of their home and help halt climate change. This is David Hewetson, one of our customers, who's recently had an install with us.
Yeah, that's correct. I'd approached other companies, but Chris's company came and sorted it out, and I've been more than pleased with what's happened, and I'll sort of go through any of the details that you want to, whenever you want to.
So David, how did you find the initial quoting process?
I found it worked well. You came to see us, you explained it all to me, you put forward a proposal, you explained the various options and the equipment, we agreed on it, agreed on a date, and it all went very smoothly. I couldn't be more pleased, especially after my experience with other companies who didn't come to site, didn't do a proper recce on the property, said it was impossible, but you came, you looked, and you gave it that personal touch, and that's what I found impressive.
So what has your electricity bills been like before and after the install?
Well, to be perfectly honest, we have not imported any electricity from the grid since you installed it.
Oh, that's really good news.
This is the app from my electricity provider. It comes off my smart meter. And you can see here, before we had the system installed, the big peaks, £6, £7, £8 a day of worth of electricity we were using, because we've got 2 cars that run electrically. That is the position where the system was installed. And as you can see, it's just dropped off to nothing. Well, all I can say is that I was very, very, very pleased with the way it was done. The scaffolding company came, they sent an experienced assessor out, he worked out what he was going to do. When the guys turned up, they did it exactly as I expected them to and as he said they were going to do. The roofer and the electrical technician were first class, they were friendly, they worked quickly as well, so there was very, very little trouble for us in having them around the place. And after the work was completed, the scaffold was taken down, and I think the whole thing lasted about 4.5 days, from scaffold erection to scaffold removal and the system up and running. And you, in your proposal, you put down that in a 12-month period we would export just over 1,000 kilowatt hours, and we've already done that.
Oh, that's brilliant. So it's working well?
It's working beyond my sort of expectations, especially if you look around the property, there's trees and shade. And I've just looked at my phone at the moment and it's knocking out nearly 5 kilowatt hours.
Yeah, it's brilliant, isn't it?